Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're doing fabulous today. In today's video, we're going to be making a Japanese dessert that is called a fruit sandwich that I have been dying to try. So if you're interested in watching me trying to make a Japanese dessert fruit sandwich, just keep watching. I have been seeing like little videos on YouTube of people that live in Japan, and apparently this sandwich is very like famous at their 7-Eleven over there, and it just looks so good, you guys. So I'm going to try and make it myself. Now I am not taking any credit from this recipe. I did see a video on it, so I wanted to try it and film it for you guys so you guys can see my trial and error. Hopefully it won't be an error. So I have all the stuff that I need here. I need my heavy whipping cream, which is the main ingredient, which is actually in my fridge right now. I kind of pre-started the fruit here, so I just want to finish up with the strawberries, and I got a straw and I just want to take the whole thing up, the little vein of it. I don't know what to call that. So that just gives me a nice clean strawberry, and I have about 12 strawberries here, so I'm gonna try and make 2 sandwiches. Now the bread that they have this with, I actually made it. I like how it came out, but it came out a little small. I think it needed to rise up a little bit more, and I did another one today, and you guys, it came out perfect, exactly how I think it should be coming out. I think it's actually better, and because the other one was a little small, even after it was baked, it was a little tiny. I went and go ahead and made another one today, and I think it should be perfect for the sandwiches. I mean, they're not that huge either, but I think it's a better size than what it was the first time I made it. So, but it's still good, guys. It's still good. It's delicious. I have all my strawberries washed and dried already, so I'm not gonna cut them. Apparently they're gonna be cut along with the sandwich, which I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowl and my heavy whipping cream. So I put the bowl in the freezer so I could keep the heavy whipping cream cold while it's mixing and making heavy whipping cream. Alright, it's really cold, you guys. I put it in this morning. Whoa. Alright, so we're going to give this a shake. So I would suggest for you guys to check out like Japanese fruit sandwich, and oh my god, if you're like me, you love desserts, it's gonna make your mouth water. So I need to try it, and that's one of the reasons I want to go to Japan, to try this beautiful dessert, and among other things to see and try out. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and try this dessert at home. Alright, so we got 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we are going to whisk it until it becomes whipped. Alright, so once it's bubbly, I'm going to go ahead and add the sugar, it's optional, and rum. Alright, look at that whipped cream. Oh my god, look at that, it's so cute. It's so freaking good. Now, I gotta be honest, on the recipe it said 5 teaspoons of sugar. I ended up adding 2 more teaspoons of it, and it's like perfect. It's not that sweet, but it has a sweetness. I want to show you guys the ones I made in the video were these buns right here. They probably look the same, but they are not. These are actually a little shorter, a little smaller, and these are a little bit more fluffy, as you can tell, and more higher. So the thing that happened, I think, is when I made these on the video, I put them like in the oven, you know, for the dough to rise up. I put this in the oven, but I didn't like bake it or anything. I just put it in there to keep it warm, because it said to, you know, keep it in a warm area. I put it in there, and then I saw that it wasn't really rising. So, and today when I made these buns, I didn't put them in the oven or anything. I just kept it in here and just cover it up, and then just leave it on top of the stove. And sure enough, they did rise up. I mean, they look so beautiful. I'm obsessed with my buns right now. These are still delicious. Obviously, we're still gonna eat them, but I just wanted to tell you the comparison of them. So these were not gonna work for today's video because they're pretty small. These are a pretty decent size. They're not big either, but yeah, these are really tiny. Look at the difference. So yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. Wish me luck. I'm gonna do 2 sandwiches. I'm gonna do a sandwich from here and then a sandwich from here because obviously they're both different. As you can tell, they have a different finish. Now, one pan, it was I forgot what was the name of the pan that has like lines on it that made these lines, and the other one was just like a regular muffin pan, which it was this big guy right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut them as a regular bread. Cut up from here. Now I'm gonna cut thick slices. I'm not gonna use the crust, even though I can't wait to have that with like PB&J or something. Okay, so I'm gonna cut thick slices on here because those desserts look like they actually have like a thick bread, and that dessert does not have crust on it, so I love crust. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut maybe about a little bit more than an inch or so. Look at that, it's so spongy. I'm so excited. Yes, I get excited over food, guys. Can you tell? I know I'm crazy. You guys, when these buns were baking in my house smelled like a freaking panaderia. It smelled delicious. Delicious. It's like, oh my god, I can't wait for these buns to come out of the oven. Hopefully it comes out good, and hopefully it comes out as I'm picturing it, because I will be disappointed. But it's okay, at least we tried it, right? Alright, you guys ready? Alright, so we got our whipped cream, and we're just gonna go for it. Alright, so we're just gonna put it in the buns and try to spread it. I never would have imagined to put whipped cream in a sandwich bread, ever. Or have a whipped cream sandwich dessert. Now, while you're at it and you're watching my videos, girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching my videos. And don't forget to share and leave a comment. Alright, what do you guys think? The more whipped cream, the better, right? So we're gonna start with strawberries. And I'm gonna try and just push them in there. I feel like these are probably gonna be pretty big for the buns, but it's okay, we'll make it work. The kiwi, that looks amazing, you guys. Looks so freaking good. And that's all the fruit that fits in that bun. And then we're gonna cover the whole thing. At least try to cover the whole enchilada here. I hope my bread doesn't freaking break. Especially this one because of the kiwi. I had to cut the kiwi a little bit because it was a little long. Alright, now I'm gonna cover them. I know it's a lot of cream, but hey, that's the sandwich rules, I guess. It's okay, I'm gonna clean out the sides of it. Alright, so now I'm gonna wrap them. I got my buns wrapped, and now I'm gonna put them in the fridge for an hour. Alright, love, so it's been over an hour that my little buns have been in the refrigerator, and I gotta say, I was a little nervous that the bread would get hard because, you know, it's been in the fridge, but it actually feels soft. It feels really nice, and they look really good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. my god, you guys, it looks so pretty. And we're just gonna cut out the crust. And don't worry, that bread is not gonna go to waste, girl. She is not going to waste. No, ma'am. Well, let me tell you that my oranges fail on me, but that's okay. Alright, there is that. Alright, so this one I'm going to clean out the whipping cream as much as I can, and I'm going to cut the crust first. So pretty, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Although now that I look at it, I feel like I should have added more whipped cream to it, because like it looks like they have a lot of whipped cream like in between and stuff, and I thought I put a lot, but I guess I didn't. But oh my god, that looks so cute and so spongy. They are spongy. So we're just gonna put this one here for presentation. Oh my god, how cute are these? Except this orange is bugging me, but that's what we're doing, is right, to do a little trial and error. I'm going to go ahead and try this because my mouth is literally watering. Okay, cheers. Oh my Lanta. Oh my god. This is so freaking good. You know how, looking at this bread, I'm thinking if it will give me the same result as the Texas bread, you know, because it's nice and fluffy and thick as well. I kind of want to try that now. So, I'll give it a try and see how that goes. Definitely, I feel like it needs more, it needed more whipped cream in between, and I thought I put a lot, but I guess the more, the better for this. You have to try this recipe. It's so simple to make. It is, for real. It's just a little time consuming because of the bread, but if you don't want to make the bread, maybe try the Texas bread. Which probably won't give you the same result because I'm not sure, I don't remember if it's like fluffy, and you know. I will go ahead and leave the video that I got from this idea, and because I really wanted to try it. I was gonna try it and I'm like, maybe I should just film it and, you know, just catch my errors on camera. I just think it was just so fun to do, starting from the bread and just putting all this fruit together in the bread, and it just came out so cute, except the oranges kind of killed it over here, but it's okay. The kiwi still looks presentable. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this recipe, and give it a try. I really think you will not be disappointed. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. And I love you. Don't forget, what makes you different makes you beautiful. And I will go ahead and enjoy this delicious sandwich. Okay, bye loves. I can't imagine how the ones in Japan will taste like.